For example, in terms of poetry, would we be talking about a callus on your hand, or would we be talking about the act of being callous? There is at least one poem, and probably several poems, inside every human being. And it's simply a matter of having the confidence to let it out. The poem gives you permission to be what you want, to say what you will. When we write a poem, that's a piece of ourselves that we put on a piece of paper and say, that's it. I've seen them grow in confidence over the time that we've been together. And I've seen them grow from someone who reads their poem like this and they're mumbling about, to someone who can stand and their eyes are moving and their body is moving. They say, I made this and now I'm sharing it with you. I had a young lady that wrote a poem from the perspective of a pencil. And her ability to take herself out of herself and look at what that might be like. What is it like to be that object? That object that we need so much, but we never seem to have it, right? That object that disappears slowly, and the more it disappears, the more creative it's been, and so it forces you to look at the world around you in ways that you might not. No matter what line of work that you go into, and if you can get comfortable saying, I have something to say, and I'm going to speak with truth, and I'm going to speak with creativity, I can't think of a line of work where that's not valuable. But the bottom line is, can we light a poetic fire and let it sort of flame up and see what comes of it?
Like a movie you see, poetry is entertaining for people like you and me. Like, that could be the ending.
Yeah.
I like the ideas we got. You know?